Hello students, after a long time I am solving a case study question. I know you will enjoy it. It is from surface area and volume of the solids. You know that case study question is about a case and 3-4 parts of the questions are there to answer which have the relation among them. Now the question is, today's question is about irrigation canals. Irrigation canals are the main waterways that brings irrigation water from a water source to the areas to be irrigated. The water is taken either from the river, tank or reservoir. The canals can be constructed either by means of concrete, stone, brick or any sort of flexible membrane which solves the durability issues like seepage and erosion. And the question regarding a canal is given here. We'll go to that part, that is more important part for us because it will give us marks. So let's read the question very mindfully. One such canal shown above is width is 5.4 meter wide and depth is 1.8 meter, through which the water is flowing with a speed of 25 kilometer per hour. The question is how much water is flowing through the canal in 1 hour. So it is when is width is given, depth is given, that means this is in shape of a cuboid. So this is a question about a cuboid whose width means breadth is given to 5.4 meter and depth mean height is given to be 1.8 meter. Now you might be asking what will the length of this? Length is this 25 kilometer. This is the water flowing through 1 hour means this is the length of the cuboid in 1 hour. So here for the time being a length is taken as 25 kilometer, which is a very big amount comparison to this point 5.4 and 1.8. So I'll write in meters. So this should be 25,000 meter. That means we are taking this length, breadth, height when the time is 1 hour. Now, how much water is flowing means the question is about volume of water. So, volume of water will calculate in cuboid. Now, the formula that is length into breadth into height. So, this is equal to, of course, you will mention that in 1 hour. That time the length will be 25 kilometer. If it will be half an hour, that means you have to divide by 2, so on. So volume of the water of the cuboid will be length is equal to 25,000 meter multiplies breadth is equal to 5.4 meter and height is equal to 1.8 meter. So it will multiply correctly. The answer will be 243,000 meter cube water in 1 hour. No need of multiplication. You can multiply, you can verify. I'm not wasting time. Next is how much area it can irrigate in 40 minutes if 10 centimeters standing water is required for irrigation. That means this water flowing through this canal in this cuboid. Now the question is this water is deposited on a area where we need We need water, how much? 10 centimeters standing. 10 centimeters standing water is needed. That means same volume. How much is the same volume? Then water flowing in the canal in 40 minutes is poured in this another rectangular area where 10 centimeter water standing is required. What is the area of this base? So you will see this volume of this cuboid. This is again area of base into height, whose height is 10 centimeter. So how to answer this question? First you will write that volume of water flowing 40 minutes is equal to volume of water in irrigation. So how much it will flow in 40 minutes? We have already calculated the volume of water in 1 hour equals to 243,000 meter cube. So in 40 minutes it, it is how much? 243,000 over 60 minutes into 40 minutes. So I'll cancel this one. 4 2 times, 4 3 times, 381. So it will be 81,000 meter cube water is coming. Now here already 10 centimeter is there. That means the volume of cuboid where the area where this irrigation is going on, cuboid of irrigation irrigated area equal to base area into height. Height is how much? 10 centimeter. All the things as meter, you should take care it will be 10 centimeter to be converted into meter equal to 81,000 meter cube. So what will the base area? Base area is equal to 10 will be multiplied. So 81,000 meter cube. Sorry, meter, not meter cube, it is meter square because it is the base area. So coming to next part, this is last part. At some distance from the canal, a farmer is having a large cylindrical tank of radius whose base is 2 meter. Suppose the farmer connects this tank to canal by circular pipe of internal diameter 4 centimeter for irrigation of his field. He, if the water is flowing at 7 meter per second through the circular pipe, find the increase in water level in 30 minutes. Now it is question of a uh, farmer who is collecting the water from the canal. For this, he has kept a cylindrical tank whose diameter is, radius of the base is 2 meter. Here R is 2 meter. I'm taking capital R because this is a big cylinder, big tank. And how he is collecting the water? He is collecting the water from the canal with a thinner pipe whose internal diameter is 4 centimeter. That means if I'll take the radius of this, it will be 4 by 2, 2 centimeter. And this is meter. Here water is coming through this thinner pipe and it is filling here. Water is coming how much? 7 centimeter, 7 meter per second at this rate. As I discussed, when the question is what is flowing through this rate, that means you have to take the length of the cuboid or height of the cylinder as 7 centimeter and the time will be 1 second. So volume will in 1 second will be 7 meter. So now writing the answer of this question, first is water coming through circular pipe. How much time I'll take? 1 hour? 1 minute? No, 1 second, because 1 second the length is 7 meter. So in 1 second is equals to, that will be the height of the cylinder. The circular pipe is in shape of cylinder, so its volume is pi r square. R is 2 centimeter. I'll write 2 over 10 because this is a cylinder. Its radius is volume is pi r square into h. What is h? H is the speed of the water. That will be 7 meter. Pi r square h. And how much is the volume? Volume is in 1 second. So this much. It will be how much? It will, I can write this will be pi, and your 2 by 10 is 0.2, so 0.04 into 7, or this will be 0.28 pi, or I can keep in the fraction form, no form problem. Now where it will be filled? It will be filled in this, where coming for 30 minutes. If 1 second the water is this much, then how much will be in 30 minutes? So in 30 minutes it will be 1 minute is 36 seconds, 60 seconds, and 30 will be 30 into 60, that will be 1800. So volume equals to 0.28 pi into 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So this much of water, 1800 into 0.28 pi. I'm not putting pi here because that is also a cylinder, so that I can shortcut calculation I can make. So this is the volume of water coming in 30 minutes. Where it will be filled, it will be filled in cylindrical tank. So volume of water is same as volume of tank. Not volume of tank, volume of water in tank. Now it will be pi. The tank radius is 2 meter, so 2 square into height will be, we have to find out how much increase in water level. That means how much water level will increase. So what will be height? We are considering the water cylinder here. So H equals to 1800 into 0.28 pi. So I can cancel pi here. So H is equal to 1800 0.28 whole upon 4. can cancel. 4, 0.07. Now we'll multiply this. So this will be 0, 0, 6, 12. I think 26. I'll leave two places. So it will be 126 meter. H is equal to 126 meter. So increase of height tank is 126 meter. So I hope you have enjoyed. So keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.